Artificial intelligence is no longer just a fictional concept in science fiction movies, but has become an integral part of our daily lives. In this video, we will look at how artificial intelligence affects various aspects of our lives and helps make them easier and more effective. Let's start with what's around us at home. Did you know that artificial intelligence is present in many of the home appliances we use daily? Such as smart voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, which help us play music, get weather updates, and even control other smart devices in the home. The smartphones we carry in our pockets contain powerful artificial intelligence technologies. From improving image quality with machine learning technologies, to personal assistants like Siri and Google Assistant that use artificial intelligence to understand voice commands and provide assistance. In health, artificial intelligence is helping improve diagnosis and treatment. AI applications in medicine enable doctors to analyze medical images quickly and accurately, which helps detect diseases in their early stages. There are also health applications that use artificial intelligence to monitor fitness and diet. Have you heard about self-driving cars? These cars use artificial intelligence to analyze data from cameras and sensors to make driving decisions. This not only makes driving safer, but also contributes to reducing traffic accidents. In the business world, artificial intelligence helps companies improve their efficiency. For example, predictive analysis helps businesses make data-driven decisions, while AI-powered chatbots provide around-the-clock customer support. Even in entertainment time, artificial intelligence has a big role.